way to set up limit cell value in MS Excel. At first, open a Microsoft Excel. Select all cell, press keyboard Ctrl+A. Click Data. Then click Data Validation. Select Decimal. Input minimum value, then input maximum value. Input title. Type input message. When I input wrong value, it is not accepted. If you want, you see error alert. Write down the error message what you want to show.
Mommy, thank you, Daddy. You
Click
are
OK.
precious to me. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Peanut.
Completed setup.
You all for sure.
Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Bell notification, subscribe.